Hello and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something special in store for all you pressure washer enthusiasts out there. Feast your eyes on what could be considered the best Honda pressure washer GC160 replacement pump on the market, the MUTURQ 3/4 shaft horizontal pressure washer pump. Let's dive right in and explore what makes this pump a game changer. First off, let's talk about quality. This pump boasts premium construction, utilizing OEM technology with an impressive 120-hour lifetime. Crafted from fully die-cast aluminum, it's built to withstand corrosion and tackle the toughest of cleaning tasks. Plus, it can handle pressures ranging from 2,600 to 3,000 psi, pumping out a robust 2.5 gallons per minute. Now, that's power you can rely on. But what sets this pump apart is its maintenance-free design. That's right, no more hassle of changing oil. The MUTURQ pump comes pre-filled with oil for a lifetime, ensuring hassle-free operation. So, when your original pump calls it quits, simply replace it with this one and breathe new life into your pressure washer. Installation? Piece of cake. This pump comes complete with everything you need for a seamless setup. From a chemical hose with filter to mounting bolts and shaft key, they've got you covered. And get this, you can have your pressure washer up and running within 10 minutes. Now, that's what I call convenience. Now, let's talk longevity. With a high-quality thermal relief valve on board, this pump is safeguarded against overheating during bypass mode. Say goodbye to premature pump failures. The TRV ensures optimal temperature regulation, prolonging the life of your investment. So, there you have it folks, the MUTURQ 3/4 shaft horizontal pressure washer pump, a true powerhouse in the world of pressure washing. With its premium quality, maintenance-free design, easy installation, and extended durability, it's a no-brainer for anyone in need of a reliable replacement pump. Don't just take my word for it, experience the difference for yourself. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, your go-to source for unbiased product reviews. Until next time, happy cleaning.